everyone, I want to show you how we use these workbooks in our homeschool. So for my younger student, he just finished level 4 and so we're moving on to level 5. He really likes these workbooks because it covers different topics of science such as earth, space, life, and physical versus just using just one topic such as chemistry or astronomy. In addition to just doing the workbook, we also use YouTube videos, Nat Geo videos, Disney, things like that. And then I also have him doing hands-on experiments. So you'll see in this workbook, there's just paragraphs you can read and some experiments that you can do just by reading it though. And so what I would like for him to do is to actually do the hands-on experiments. And so that's what we work on as well. And I'm going to show you how I come up with that. So for this example here, I like this one because we haven't really covered it. What I would do is read the paragraph itself and determine what's being learned. So it looks like we're learning about properties and what different metals are good for. So on my YouTube video search, I would type in, what are the properties of metals and what are each of the metals used for? Grade 5. We'd start off watching the video and then he can do this page by reading and then answering the questions just to ensure that he's learning something. And then for this page, there's an experiment to be done. Now, you don't have to do the experiments, but I really like to make it hands-on because he is a kinesthetic learner. So what I would do is grab some sticky notes. I'm going to write down on them the different kinds of metals, write down the properties, and I'd probably write the properties individually. Like I wouldn't write a whole paragraph because then there may not be any reading. So if I was to break it down into shiny, non-magnetic, doesn't corrode, then he can place those into its own category for each metal. And then I would go around the house and just gather a few of these supplies here and put them in a clump, and that way he has to sort through them and identify. So basically he's doing this table but a hands-on version of it. Once he does that, he can come here and review the chart and then he can answer the questions. So that's how I use these kinds of workbooks in our homeschool. If you have any questions, let me know.